Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to switch your Instagram account. So to get started, you need to first hop into your Instagram application. Once you are on the Instagram, make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. So to switch your Instagram account, you need to tap on the bottom right corner profile icon. Once you are on the profile page, on the upper right corner, you will find out the hamburger icon. Tap on it and then tap on Settings and Privacy on this expanded menu. So scroll down until you reach the bottom of the screen and tap on Logout of the existing account. Now, if you want to save your login info, you can tap on Save so that you don't need to enter your credential next time you log in. Or else, if you don't want to save your login info, then simply you can tap on Not Now. Now tap on Logout. And then you can simply choose the another account that you want to switch, or else if the other accounts hasn't been shown here, then you can tap on login to another account. Enter the credential here of the another account that you want to switch and easily tap on login and switch the Instagram account. For now, let's select the upper account that has been shown on the screen. So you have saved the login info of this Instagram account so that you did not need to enter your credential to log in. But if you haven't, then you need to enter the credential and easily log in or switch the another account on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming videos on our channel. Subscribe it. Thank you.